Hello friends, in this video, we will learn about how to model this part in Fusion 360 software. Please save this image for your reference. Let's start design. Select reference plane. Select line tool and make a base sketch. This will be rough sketch with auto constraints. Let's specify dimensions. You can modify or delete provided constraints. Please observe cursor's movement to get reference. This is how you can switch or change type of constraint. Sketch is now fully constrained. Let's extrude this sketch. Specify dimension. Select reference face for creating a second sketch on it. Select line tool and make a closed loop sketch. In this sketch, we will specify dimension simultaneously for each line. Select face and extrude it. Specify dimension. This is how you can make a simple part in Fusion 360. Please like and share this tutorial.